What is up, guys? North Digital Assets coming at you with another video. In this video, we are going to cover Bitcoin and the crypto market as a whole. Is the DXY starting to roll for the first time? I don't know. It looks like it's starting to correct. We'll take a look at that. We'll take a look at Bitcoin. I've been busy, guys. You guys, a lot of people don't understand the amount of time it takes to actually, the amount of time and effort to put like these videos out. I've seen another content creator, people like attacking him saying, you always disappear in the bear market. You disappear when things are down and you don't put out videos. People get extremely busy in their own life. I sold my house, then the deal fell through. Then I had to relist it. Now it's sold again. But I've been busy. I'm moving over 1,000 miles away. There's a lot of stuff you got to do in your own life. Set up a lot of stuff, bank accounts, insurance, all kinds of stuff. So I haven't been able to put out as many videos, but I will be relocating in the next couple days. Anyways, I don't want to waste any more of your time. Let's dive in. Let's look at the DXY. Let's look at the DXY, okay? On the weekly, this is the best sign of this whole video, so you don't have to wait very long. This right here is awesome. Awesome to see. We haven't seen the DXY start to roll over on the weekly stock RSI. Again, this is a momentum indicator showing, the momentum to the upside or the downside. We haven't had anything kind of roll over. Look at this on the weekly stock RSI since a real rollover since December 13th, 2021, a long time ago where it started to actually roll. Now, keep in mind though, this can come down, bounce off the blue band, come back up into June, and then roll in mid-June, which I hope that's not the case. I hope we don't have to do that. I hope it rolls now. Hopefully it doesn't do this M double top type pattern and then have to go down, because then there'll be more waiting. Surprise, surprise. That's what crypto's been. But this red candle is awesome to see. Let's go to the daily. Yes, starting to fall just slightly below it. Hopefully it's not this, and then another run. What we want is it to come back to this 55 EMA, which would be 101 instead of 102.7. Big difference. And hopefully the stock RSI, we can get it to bounce here. That's anyone's guess. It does like a W double bottom on the daily, but hopefully on the weekly, it stays heading down towards zero, and that's anyone's guess if it does that or an M double top. But if it does that, that's weeks and weeks and weeks of the DXY going down, and weeks and weeks and weeks of some fuel for Bitcoin and the crypto market. So that is just good news altogether if we can actually get this to turn into something. Again, floating that high above the 20 EMA and the 55, that's ridiculous. It's been running almost parabolic since last May 21. You can see that there. So yeah, that's ridiculous. If it floats in the sky above EMAs, the EMAs are magnets, always comes back. It's just a matter of time. Let's wait that out, guys. Let's look at Bitcoin real quick, and then I'm gonna wrap this video up because yeah, I'm packing up a moving truck and a trailer, and I literally have come out of taking a break real quick just to put a video out for you guys. This is gonna be a couple days before I get anything else out. To me, this is a supportive level, and there's a lot of buying pressure, a lot of whales buying. You have this 30,000, but the real fuel we need could definitely be that DXY. That's what we need. That's what's been the handcuffs, the chains to Bitcoin over the last months, okay? So the opposite is going on, obviously, with the stock RSI here on Bitcoin, which is good. We're already at the zero. Like I just showed you, the DXY is up at 100 and it's just starting to roll. Well, here we're hitting at about zero. So hopefully this can just start heading to the upside. It might have to do a W pattern, but we'll see what happens. At any rate, this is real close to zero and getting ready to kind of flatten out and come back up. And the DXY is doing the opposite because yes, they move inversely. I will compare them for you real quick. DXY, and we can just look at them real quick together. Anyways, you can see, you can definitely see where, yeah, they're usually moving in opposites. Let's see here, when you come down here, yeah, typically they're moving in opposite directions, and you can see that. You can see where it crosses in all these different directions. And this is on the weekly, and I could show you in the daily too, but you get the point. You get the point. Shut that off. Again, my overall thesis has not changed moving forward. Expanded. I'm calling this an expanded flat right now, which I think it is. Again, wave 3 up. You bounce around in this expanding zone, but when you find that support, the 335 movement that we've talked about for a long time. And both of these are 335 movements. We talked about that, but I was talking about it being a running flat for a long time. I wasn't correct. That's fine. The running flat was more of this, where your support is rising, your resistance is rising, and you're in this channel, and it's a shallow correction because 2 is so deep and so fast. So when that happens, 4 doesn't have to be as ridiculous. But again, I still see wave 5, 130K plus. Sounds crazy, might sound insane. That's fine. Just waiting on some fuel. And once it starts to move up, then you start to get all these massive news stories about Bitcoin and countries and companies and all these new investors and all this different stuff. I believe Bitcoin will go on a massive run. Altcoins will follow loosely. Bitcoin will top. The following month will be the end of the altcoin season, and then you're going to get a massive, very, very, very nasty bear market, a very nasty bear market. I will be telling you, get out, take your profits, get out, get out, get out after wave 5, that it's going to be a nasty bear market, and a lot of altcoins will not make it through this bear market. They won't exist next bull run. That's my thesis. I will also in the future, guys, this is going to be pretty cool. When we do figure out when the Pi cycle top indicator prints a red X for the top of Bitcoin and Bitcoin does start to roll after it goes on its massive run, I will be able to take the top of wave 5, then I will be able to take the bottom of the bear, then I will stretch the fibs off these, and we're going to do our best. It's very hard to do this, but we're going to do our best to actually predict out this next run out here. And what that's going to do, it's going to show us where the 786 is. It's going to show us where the 1618 is. It's going to show us where the 2272 is, because it looks like we did it once. If this wave 5, we get the wave 5, we're going to do it twice, 3 times in a row. So we're going to look at that in the future, just some crazier stuff. But anyways, that's going to be it for this video, guys. I gotta keep packing. I gotta keep moving. I got a lot to do. Just doing this video real quick. Smash the like button, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notifications. We're going to put out better and better content in the months moving forward. Thank you to all the subscribers. Thank you for the likes and comment below. And we're heading to Texas. Anyways, we'll talk to you guys later. See ya.